night switch today, days to nights?
No, it's just, I mean, I've been always set through this one. He's catnapped. How's the temperature now?
You're a model.
Is your name you or is your newborn photo?
Good job. Good stretch. Okay, buddy, we're gonna turn you around, okay? That was simple. There you go. He's looking right at the camera.
Oh yeah, they like the flash.
He, had a bowel movement later on Monday.
Oh, good.
It was fine, like it was, but he's been going every day, like in the afternoon. So I'm like, I wonder if just having it in the afternoon makes him crabby up until.
Yeah, probably.
that point,
Yeah,
but
it is much better in his head.
I noticed that when I was trying to like, just do some circle movements, so, but.
Good job. I know. You don't like that one. Okay, ready? We're gonna go up. We're gonna flip around. And we're gonna go.